Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ke naturena namhlanje imedia ikhulume noMayo, noModi, no-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs, u-coach Cedric Kaze, and then nawo amagama wabo ku-interview bafethu, but ngizoqala ngoMayo noModi. uMayo uthe uxolisile laphana kuModi about what happened ukuthi athinte ibhola lakhe seliyongena kwaba yi-offside laphana, and then bakhulume nanokuthi bayafisa ukudlala kuBafana Bafana, so kumele basebenze kanzima. But asingeneni straight emagameni wabo bafethu. Bavule ngoMayo-ke, uMayo uqala ukukhuluma laphana, uthe i-mood i-right kakhulu, i-positive kakhulu laphana ku-camp ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi bayazi ukuthi they haven't been doing well, kusho ukuthi-ke abakawatholi ama-results for some time, but kuyasho ukuthi ba-focus kule game lena ezayo. And then uthe uyazi ukuthi online kunama-clip a-trend-ayo and stuff, but-ke nje bona bafuna ukufocus-a ku-game overall. And then base bembuza ukuthi hayibo, lezi zinto lezi ey'threndayo online ureact-e kanjani, nanokuthi ukhulume noModi, ukhulume naye kanjani. Athi awuxolisile kuModi, uyazi ukuthi lezi zinto lezi uModi umtshelile ukuthi amani ibhola lezi zinto lezi ziyenzeka overall, kumele bakwazi ukusizana badlale as i-team, hhayi ukuthi umuntu mhlawumpe acabangele yedwa. Uyasho ukuthi uModi uthe ngelinye ilanga naye uzomdinga laphana uMayo, so kubalulekile ngempela ukuthi i-spirit sibe right ethimini, ejimini, overall emagemini. uModi yena uthe i-mood naye i-high kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bayafuna ngempela ukuwina against iSiwelele. Then uModi meqhubeka laphana uthi lento le kaMayo, lento uMayo ayenzile ukuthi aqedelele ibhola lakhe noma lithinte kube offside, uthe akayithathanga personally, uthi izinto nje part of football, into kumele bakwazi ukumove on from yona. Noma uMayo emfonela lo kamtshela, umtshelile ukuthi man, it's part of ibhola overall. And then babuzwe nge-competition laphana overall bafethu, ukuthi uMayo bambuze nge-competition yama-strikers, njengoba kunama-striker laphana phambili, athi i-competition i-healthy ngempela, ezibona ama-striker kumele basizane laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, babe-focus. Ushilo nanokuthi bayasala laphana ejimini. Nawezwa la magama bafethu, ama-striker ku-Kaizer Chiefs bayasala ba-practice extra. That moment lawo magama lawo kaMayo ngithatha ngibeka kule nto le kaDuprez, ukuthi Duprez ndoda uyasala wenza ama-training, ama-extra training, but-ke it's part of football, izinto ezinje ziyenzeka njengoba bashilo nabo bafethu, because khuluma ngokuthi ama-strikers bayasizana, babumbene, bayinto eyodwa. And then ukhulume ngokuthi mabathi bambuza ngama-strikers a-different, uthe abadlali ibhola elifanayo, uthe abanye ama-strikers amobile ayakwazi ukudropha ubambe ibhola, and then uthe khona i-striker nje isistaka laphana ku-number 9, so i-striker bona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bane-striker ezingafani overall. And then mekhuluma ngendaba yokudlala lapha outside i-South Africa, uthe kunzima kakhulu, bekunzima kakhulu ukuthi adlale laphana outside i-South Africa. Sibonile ukuthi udlale e-Algeria. Uthe because bekunzima ukuthi abe familiar to ama-different cultures laphana, kusho ukuthi i-culture yase-Algeria, yes, yiyo le kusho ukuthi bekunzima kakhulu ukuthi a-adapt-e. But uthi usendaweni la kudala afuna ukuba khona ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then i-journalist lazi lasho ukuthi waqala ukukhahlela amabhola laphana ana-6 ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. So I mean, mawubheka i-statement sakhe umfethu, uyabona ukuthi izinto ziyenzeka obviously-ke, naye kudala afuna ukuba ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke he had to start lena eNorth Africa until-ke aze abuye laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Amagama-ke kaMayo ne-competition laphana. Qhubekile uMayo laphana ukuthi ubabakhe wakhuluma naye after leya moment leyo, ubabakhe wam-advise, washo ukuthi izinto ezinje ziyenzeka ebholeni, wamtshela nanokuthi bayindoda, wazi ukuthi awukho perfect, but iba ne-different mentality ukuthi ukwazi uku-approach-a izinto different overall. And then one of the biggest questions bafethu, uModi bambuzile ukuthi what is your position ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or what is your style of play, indlela odlala ngayo. Nawo amagama waModi. Uthi ubuyele emuva, wathi that time ucoach nabo efika abacoach laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ucoach nabo wabatshela straight, wathi ufuna ama-wingers ane-energy. So i-style sakhe overall yena ukuthi uyakwazi ukuba i-wing back, kusho ukuthi maba-mark uyakwazi ukudropha back amaka, abonise i-energy, maka-attack uyakwazi ukuya phambili. Uthi-ke abantu aba-understand ibhola kuphela aba-understand-ayo ukuthi yena udlala ibhola elinjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall, yibo abantu abanga-understand-a i-style sakhe laphana. Uthi yena uModi uthi uyi-hard worker, yena uyi-hard worker kabi, that's what is giving to i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Naye ushilo ukuthi i-competition i-tough kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or bane-competition eningi. Wamention iplay elilodwa specifically, uVelebay, wathi sinoVelebay la ethimini, uyasho ukuthi umazi since from amalanga we-Cape Moya United or so yeah, yabona njengoba mention uVelebay, uyazi ukuthi uVelebay is coming, and ucoach last week or last of last ukhulume ngoVelebayi ukuthi once uVelebayi waba available uzobasiza kakhulu. Kusho there's something abayibonayo good ngoVelebayi. Nathi-ke siyama-football fans we can't wait ukubona laphana uVelebayi. Uma mekhuluma uModi man, asiqale ngoModi. Mekhuluma ngokudlala neSiwelele ushilo ukuthi for yena iSiwelele esifana neSuperSport United into eyodwa. Uthi kunama-players ane-experience, ama-quality players laphana. Ukhulume nanokuthi badlale nabo khona le friendly laba abashaye 3-1 or so kuleya friendly abayidlalele lapha eNaturena. So bekuyi-FIFA break that time badlala leyo friendly match leyo bakwazi ukubashaya. So uthi-ke I mean ama-player ane-experience, i-quality banalo i-quality, angeke kube i-match esimpuli but uthe bazozama ukuya all out ukuthi bakwazi ukuyiwina igame overall. Sikhumbule ukuthi Nkosi yami, SuperSport/Siwelele FC ino-Happy Mashane, noZwane, noPotsane, no-coach nayo imentionile leyo nto leyo ukuthi bane-intel eKaizer Chiefs. Maybe they will try and share leyo intel leyo. Nomayo washo ukuthi igame against iSiwelele obvious ngeke kube easy game but-ke bona ba-ready, bafuna ngempela ukukhompitha for i-league, bakhompithe on the continental level, bakhompithe kusho ukuthi bakhompithe nje for everything on offer laphana overall because of they wanna really focus ku-Kaizer Chiefs and obvious bajabulisa ama-fans ngokuthi bathole ama-results. I think ngiya-paraphrase-ke lapho but I think usho kanjalo uMayo noma befuna ukusho kanjalo. Mebebuzwa ngeBafana Bafana sithi iBafana Bafana iqualify for World Cup and so forth, bathi definitely bona bangathanda ukudlala kuBafana Bafana but-ke i-team, uMayo uthe i-team iKaizer Chiefs kumele iqale yenze kahle kakhulu ukuze uHugo Broos or kuBafana Bafana baba-select laphana overall but-ke they have to start laphana ethimini benze kahle then i-selection yeBafana Bafana izoza after mabenza kahle. NoModi naye ushilo ukuthi naye uyafuna noma uyafisa ukubuyela ku-national team laphana bafethu. Sikhumbule ukuthi kuyaba khona kancane laphana ku-national team. uModi uyasho ukuthi he wants to go back to iBafana Bafana. Masibheka yiso sonke i-statement, i-interview yabo bowu-2 bafethu, I mean sizwile lamagama powerful from bona ukuthi uMayo uxolisile but okay, khona ama-questions ekumele siwalokhunjana bafethu siwabuze. uMayo, that was a big moment obviously, i-trendile and the way naye asho ngakhona ukuthi leya moment le i-trendile. Uthi bekangazi ukuthi u-offside, that is ngaba kalithintanga ibhola, ulithintile but-ke ngaba kalithintanga whatever. Why would you touch ibhola seliyongena phela uthatha igoli lomunye umuntu? Siyazi ukuthi u-Struck ufuna amagoli for i-Kaizer Chiefs but why would you steal igoli lomunye umuntu bafethu? Asibeni fair. Le question ekumele ibe direct, ama-journalist afeyilile ukumbuza ukuthi okay, why would you touch ibhola? But I think into bekazozama ukuyiphendula bekazosho ukuthi uyi-footballer uyafuna ukushaya amagoli whatever. Maybe at that moment bekangaboni because adrenaline when you are inside the field of play awucabangi ama-repercussion, ucabanga nje what is in front of you ukuthi hey thi ngiliqedelele bangaze bali-clear izinto ezinjalo but yeah. Lo uModi njengoba akhulume nge-role yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uthi uyi-hard worker yena uModi. I don't see that hard work le yangempela le okumele abe yiyo. Yes, ngiyambona, I can see he's tracking back, I can see i-contribution yakhe but there's so many questions mina personally engingambuza wona, obvious ngeke abe comfortable. That is why maybe ngeke ngibe i-journalist bafethu. But yeah, but maybe when I start interviewing players, because I will interview players soon, I will start interviewing players. Well, I've interviewed a few players, but not Kunkuli Soccer for some media, football or soccer or normal sports media platforms. I've interviewed players like in the form of writing, so you'd never even know ukuthi mengi-interview lama-player. But let's say if I would interview umuntu ku-video izinto ezinjalo, I would get to the depth of into, ngiyi-understande kahle ukuthi uchaza ukuthini mesho kanje. I don't see uModi going back to iBafana Bafana or being selected to iBafana Bafana. Kumele cause like igame yakhe kumele improve to an extent ukuthi uzoba better than apolisi, abo-Relay Mofokeng. I-national team bafethu igcwele lapha especially kuma-wing. But-ke asisho umuntu phela akalahlwa, asisho ukuthi akana-chance. Ngathi kungaselect oThembi Nkosi-Lorch, badlala ama-wing phela. uThembi Nkosi-Lorch uyi-wing, udlala i-left wing laphana ku-Wydad Casablanca. But-ke I'm not writing uPule Modi ukuthi amaphupho akhe angafezeki bafethu.